Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're delivering our weekly market outlook for this critical holiday shortened week. This week is packed with delayed economic data and the biggest retail event of the year. On our calendar, Tuesday is absolutely huge, with retail sales, PPI inflation, and key earnings like Dell and PayPal. Wednesday features jobless claims, durable goods orders, and the crucial PCE inflation report. Thursday is Thanksgiving, so U.S. markets are closed, and Friday is Black Friday with an early market close. Now, for the market context, technology stocks are leading gains in global equities, driven by rising expectations for a December U.S. interest rate cut, a view reinforced by New York Fed President John Williams' recent comments. The market is pricing in a likely 25 basis point cut. However, retail sales data will be key, as spending growth is expected to have moderated as consumers remain squeezed by high prices and job worries, setting the tone for the massive Black Friday event. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is showing caution, falling again after a weekend rebound, and is on track for its worst month since 2022. This shows a clear divergence in sentiment, and that lighter, volatile trading is likely as we head into the holiday. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.